Have you ever wondered how something as simple as a rash could lead to serious health complications? Measles is one of those illnesses that might seem harmless at first, but it can have serious consequences for your health, physically and even mentally. It's more than just a viral infection. It's something that affects not just your body, but your mind as well. So let's dive into what measles is, how it affects you, and why it's important to stay informed. Measles is a highly contagious viral infection that primarily affects children, but can impact anyone who isn't vaccinated or previously infected. While it starts with cold-like symptoms, it can quickly escalate into a much more serious health concern. Before vaccines were widely available, measles was one of the leading causes of death in children worldwide. Today, thanks to vaccination efforts, it's much less common, but outbreaks still occur. So what exactly is measles and why should we care? What is measles? Measles is caused by the measles virus, which is spread through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The initial symptoms may seem mild: fever, cough, runny nose, sore throat, and red eyes. But it doesn't stop there. A few days after these symptoms, a telltale red rash appears, usually starting on the face and then spreading to the rest of the body. Measles isn't just about the rash. In fact, it can lead to more severe complications, such as pneumonia, ear infections, and in some rare cases, brain swelling or encephalitis, which can be life-threatening. This is why vaccination is so important. It's a simple, effective way to prevent these serious consequences. Impact on physical health. Measles can also suppress your immune system, leaving your body more vulnerable to other infections. Your body becomes weakened, and you may have to deal with a prolonged recovery. Even in relatively healthy individuals, measles can lead to complications like hospitalization, especially for those who haven't been vaccinated or have compromised immune systems. This is why you might hear health professionals say that measles isn't just a rash, it's a serious disease that demands attention. Mental health connection. Now, let's talk about the connection to mental health. While measles itself is a physical illness, the impact it has on your mental well-being shouldn't be overlooked. The stress of being sick, especially when you're dealing with a contagious illness, can affect your emotional state. Hospital stays, isolation, and the worry about complications can lead to anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress in some individuals, especially those who experience severe symptoms or complications. For children, the experience of being sick for an extended period of time can be even more traumatic. They might struggle with feelings of fear, frustration, or confusion, especially if the illness requires a hospital stay or separation from their family. Ensuring children have emotional support during recovery is just as important as addressing the physical symptoms. Prevention and vaccination. Now, you might be wondering how to protect yourself and your loved ones from measles. The good news? It's preventable. Vaccination is the most effective way to protect against measles. The MMR vaccine, which protects against measles, mumps, and rubella, is highly effective and widely available. In fact, vaccination rates are one of the reasons we've seen a drastic decrease in measles cases over the years. For those who haven't been vaccinated, the best thing you can do is get the vaccine. It's a simple, safe step that prevents not just measles, but a whole range of potential complications that can arise from it. And as we know, protecting your health isn't just about physical well-being, but also about preserving your mental health by avoiding the stress and worry that comes with the disease. In conclusion, measles may seem like a thing of the past, but it's still a real threat, especially in communities where vaccination rates are low. The rash and fever may be the first things you notice, but the long term consequences can affect both your physical and mental health. By staying informed, getting vaccinated, and encouraging others to do the same, we can keep ourselves and our communities safe. So remember, measles is more than just a rash. It's a serious illness that can impact your body, your mind, and your well being. Take the right steps to protect yourself and your loved ones today. After all, your health, both physical and mental, matters. Make sure you're up to date on your vaccinations and share this information with those around you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and protect your future.